Good morning, everybody. This is Alonso Moreno, your English teacher from Idiomas Católica, Monday to Friday courses. The reason I am doing this video is because I've received some emails from you asking me to explain the way we evaluate you. So here it is. In this case, I have chosen any random name. Luis Martinez Carranza is a non-existent student. And as you can see, I have included a chart in color black, which simulates the days that we attend our classes. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, until day 16. Well, also I have included a chart of equivalences in color green, and I have included the chart of performance in color orange here. Now, I'm going to explain the way we evaluate. For example, the day number 1, this Luis was present the first class, that the 41st 5 minutes and the other 45 first minutes. Remember that every class is divided in 45 minutes, in 2 sessions of 45 minutes. In total is 1 hour and a half. Yes. So Luis was present the first 45 minutes, present the second 45 minutes. The day number 2, Luis was present here, but he left. And here he was not in the class completely. Okay, look at this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sessions of 45 minutes. This is enough for me to write my first score. Here I'm going to think about Luis. Was his performance very poor and totally absent? No, he wasn't absent, he was present, so it's not a 0. Did he need improvement in this part during these 5 hours? Does he need some improvement? I think he participated quite well. Quite well. Okay, so that would be a 2. Average. Quite well. Okay, but what happened? Luis continued coming to the classes. 3, 4, 5. And here he participated more than the average. Yes, he was making the difference in participation, so he deserved a 3. Yes, he deserved a 3. And then I continue, and here I continue. Maybe he was absent here, maybe, and his performance was a little lower than before, so he will be a 2. Notice that in his first participation, the first 5 hours, he got a 2. In his second, he got a 3. And in the other one, he got a 2. Yes. Here I have 3 scores. 1 score here. 1 score. 2 scores. 3 scores. With these 3 scores, I can say 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. And 7 in the chart of equivalences is 75. So his first score or midterm participation will be 75. And then I continue doing the same in this second chart, and I will have the final term participation. Now, what you are telling me in the emails is, why do I have 2 if I am participating in the class? Yes, you are participating, but according to the level. If you participate above the level, you will get a 3. Yes, that means that you need to stand out from the crowd. You need to make the difference between you and your partners. If you feel that you want to participate more, raise your hand, mention, please, teacher, can I participate? Can I say something? Can I add something to my partner's comment? In that way, I will give you the possibility to participate more. Yes. And that's it. If you have any other question, don't hesitate and send an email to me. Goodbye, everybody.